Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer banking transactions from Chase to QuickBooks using Plaid step by step clearly. Begin by opening your QuickBooks account in your preferred web browser. Log into your QuickBooks online account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu. Select banking from the options available. In the banking section, click on the Link Account button. You will see a search bar, type in Chase. From the search results, select Chase to proceed. Click Continue to authorize the connection. You will be redirected to the Plaid login page. Enter your Chase banking credentials to allow QuickBooks access to your transactions. After logging in, you may need to verify your identity using a two-factor authentication method if prompted. Once authenticated, select the specific accounts you want to connect to QuickBooks. Click Continue to proceed with the account selection. Review the date range for the transactions you want to import. Adjust the date range if necessary, then click Get Transactions. Plaid will begin transferring your banking transactions to QuickBooks. This process may take a few moments, so be patient while the transactions import. After the import is complete, you'll see a summary of the transactions received. Review the imported transactions to ensure accuracy. If everything looks good, click Finish, and your transactions will be available in QuickBooks. You can now categorize and manage your transactions as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.